Made for areas without access to running water, these eyewash stations hold two 3.8-gallon containers of saline solution. The single-use containers are easy to load in or swap out of the cabinet. Eyewash is gradually forced out of the containers with weighted plates. Lower the plates onto the bags of solution, and gravity will do the rest. To install the cartridges, slide their nozzles onto a central plate. Each nozzle is connected to a strap that wraps over the pull tray and snaps onto the front. The straps are marked with expiration dates, so you can quickly check that the solution is safe to use without opening the cabinet. When you pull the tray down, the straps open the nozzles. Once the solution starts flowing, it runs continuously for 15 minutes to comply with ANSI standards. Spent solution runs down into a reservoir at the bottom of the station. To prepare for the next use, empty the reservoir with the nozzle at the base. Maintenance is required after draining to replace saline cartridges and reset the unit to its ready state. Since these stations aren't connected to water or electricity, they're easy to move between job sites. An optional dust cover can be added to keep stations clean in dirty environments.